America's most daring drivers have piloted their mechanical steeds around this great proving ground for the automotive industry, and in these grueling contests have tested nearly all of the new developments in automobile engineering. For years, the Monon has helped to bring in the countless thousands who descended on Indianapolis for this event, transported them in an atmosphere of real Hoosier hospitality on its famous Chicago-Indianapolis train, the Hoosier.
Hoosier time, Hoosier time. We run this railroad right on Hoosier time. Hoosier time, Hoosier time. There never ever was a better time. Hoosier time, where every golden moment is a time for joy and laughter. Hoosier time, it's the bell.
Hoosier towns, American towns,